Love English podcast. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Love English podcast. My name is Leo.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today, we have a very interesting topic. It's something we do every day.
That's right. Today, we are going to learn how to describe a person, specifically how to describe your best friend.
This is a very useful skill. You can use it to talk about your family, your friends, or even yourself.
And we will make it very easy for you. We will use simple words and short sentences. Perfect for beginners.
So, listeners, are you ready to learn? Let's start.
When we describe a person, we can talk about two main things. First, their appearance.
Appearance. What does that mean, Emma?
Appearance is how a person looks on the outside. Are they tall? Are they short? What color is their hair?
Ah, I see. So their physical look. For example, I am a man. I have short brown hair.
Exactly. And I am a woman. I have long brown hair.
Listeners, think about your hair. Is it long or short? Try to say it. I have long hair. Or, I have short hair.
Great practice. We can also talk about height. Height is about being tall or short.
I am tall. Emma, are you tall or short?
I think I am not tall and not short. I am medium height.
Medium height. That's a great phrase. M-E-D-I-U-M. Height. It means in the middle.
Yes. So, listeners, what about you? Are you tall, short, or medium height?
You can say, I am tall, or I am short. Let's practice. Say it now.
Wonderful. Another thing is eye color. My eyes are brown.
My eyes are brown too. Many people have brown eyes. Some have blue or green eyes.
So you can say, he has brown eyes, or she has blue eyes.
Okay, so let's put it all together. Let's describe our best friend, Alex.
Good idea. Alex is our best friend. So what does he look like, Leo?
Alex is a man. He is tall. He is taller than me.
Yes, he is quite tall. And what about his hair?
He has short black hair. It's very straight.
Short black hair. Got it. And his eyes?
He has dark brown eyes. And he always wears glasses.
That's right. He wears glasses. So let's summarize Alex's appearance. He is a tall man with short black hair and dark brown eyes. He wears glasses.
Perfect. Listeners, can you try to describe your best friend's appearance? Just use simple words. Tall or short. Long or short hair. What color are their eyes?
Try to make a sentence in your head right now. We will give you a moment.
Okay, let's imagine a real situation where you need to do this.
This is a great way to practice. Let's say Leo and I are at a coffee shop. We are waiting for Alex.
But he is late. So we want to ask the man working at the coffee shop, the barista, if he has seen Alex.
We need to describe Alex to him. Let's listen. The barista will be a new voice. He is a man.
Excuse me, we are looking for our friend.
Hello. Sure, I can try to help. What does he look like?
Oh, he is asking about his appearance. Leo, you describe him.
Okay, he is tall. A tall man.
And he has short black hair.
Yes, short black hair, and he wears glasses.
I see. A tall man with short black hair and glasses. What is he wearing?
Oh, good question. What is he wearing? Today, I think he is wearing a blue jacket.
Yes, a blue jacket and jeans.
Okay, I think I saw him. He was sitting over there a few minutes ago. Let me check.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's stop here. Listeners, did you hear the conversation?
The barista asked, "What does he look like?" This is a very common question.
When you hear this question, people want you to talk about appearance, height, hair, eyes, clothes.
We said he is tall and he has short black hair. Remember, for height, we use is. He is tall.
And for hair and eyes, we use has. He has short hair. He has brown eyes.
This is a very important and simple rule. Let's practice one more time. Listen and repeat, everyone. He is tall.
He has short hair.
He has brown eyes.
He is wearing a blue jacket.
Excellent work. You see, it is not so difficult. You just need to practice.
Now, let's move to the second part of describing a person.
Yes, the second part is personality.
Personality. Can you explain that, Emma?
Personality is about what a person is like on the inside. It's not about their look. It's about their character.
Ah, so are they a good person? Are they funny? Are they quiet?
Exactly. These are all words to describe personality. Let's learn some easy ones.
Okay, a good word to start with is kind. K-I-N-D. Kind.
A kind person is someone who helps others and is very nice. Our friend Alex is very kind.
Yes, he is. He always helps me when I have a problem. He is a very kind person.
Listeners, do you have a kind friend? I am sure you do.
Another good word is funny. F-U-N-N-Y. Funny.
A funny person makes you laugh. They tell jokes and are fun to be with.
Alex is very funny. He tells the best jokes. I always laugh when I am with him.
Me too. He makes everyone smile.
So we can say, my best friend is kind, or my best friend is funny.
What about friendly? F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Friendly.
A friendly person is easy to talk to. They smile at people and like to meet new people.
Alex is super friendly. He can make a new friend in 5 minutes.
It's true. He loves talking to people. He is very friendly and outgoing.
Outgoing is another great word. It means someone who is very social and not shy.
So we have kind, funny, and friendly. What else?
How about smart? S-M-A-R-T. Smart.
A smart person knows a lot of things. They are intelligent.
Alex is very smart. He reads a lot of books and is very good at his job.
Yes, if I have a difficult question, I always ask Alex. He usually knows the answer.
So, to describe Alex's personality, we can say he is kind, funny, friendly, and smart.
That's a great description. Listeners, think about your best friend now.
What is his or her personality like? Try to choose one word. Are they kind, funny, friendly?
Just think of one sentence. For example, my friend is very kind.
Okay, just like we did with appearance, let's imagine a real situation for personality.
I love this part. It makes learning feel real.
Me too. So let's imagine it's Alex's birthday next week. We want to order a special cake for him.
A surprise birthday cake? Great idea.
We are talking to the baker, the person who makes the cakes. The baker is a man. He wants to know about Alex to design the cake.
This is a fun situation. Let's listen.
Hello, welcome to my bakery. How can I help you?
Hi, we would like to order a birthday cake for our best friend.
That sounds lovely. I can make a special cake for him. To help me with the design, can you tell me a little about him? What is he like?
Oh, what is he like? Emma, he is asking about personality.
That's right. When you hear, what is he like, you should talk about personality, not appearance.
Okay, I'll answer. Well, he is a very funny person. He loves to laugh and make people smile.
Yes, he is very funny. And he is also very friendly. He has a lot of friends. He loves being with people.
He sounds like a wonderful person. Funny and friendly. So maybe a cake with bright, happy colors, maybe with a big smile on it.
Oh, that's a perfect idea. He would love that.
And he is also very smart. He loves reading books.
That gives me another idea. Maybe we can add some small, edible books on the cake.
Wow, that is amazing. A cake with a big smile and books. It's perfect for Alex.
It really is. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome. I am happy to make a cake that shows his personality.
Okay, our practice scene is over.
Listeners, that was a great example. The baker asked, what is he like?
And we answered with personality words. We said he is funny, friendly, and smart.
And based on that, the baker had ideas for the cake. This is a great example of how describing personality can be useful in real life.
Let's practice the question and some answers. Listen and repeat after us.
The question is, what is he like?
One more time. What is he like?
And an answer could be, he is very kind.
Or, she is very funny.
Or you can combine them. He is friendly and smart.
Fantastic. Now you know how to talk about appearance and personality.
Let's try to put everything together. We will do one more short practice conversation.
Okay, this time let's imagine we are at a photo shop. We want to print a beautiful photo of Alex.
And the shop assistant, a man, is helping us. He sees the photo and asks about it.
Let's see how we can use all the words we learned.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hello. We would like to get this photo printed, please.
Of course. Oh, that's a very nice photo. He has a great smile.
Thank you. That's our best friend, Alex.
He looks like a very happy person.
Yes, he is. He is a very funny and friendly guy, always making us laugh.
And you can't really see it in the photo, but he's very tall.
And he wears glasses, right? I can see the glasses in the picture.
That's right. He wears glasses. He has short black hair.
He sounds like a great friend. This photo will look wonderful when it is printed.
Thank you. We think so too.
And we are back. Did you see what we did, listeners?
The man at the shop saw the photo and commented on it.
We used this chance to describe Alex completely. We mixed appearance and personality together.
We said, he is funny and friendly. That is his personality.
And we also said he is tall and has short black hair and wears glasses. That is his appearance.
This is how conversations happen in real life. You mix everything together naturally.
So, listeners, it's time for a final review. We learned a lot today.
Yes, we did. We learned how to describe a person's appearance. That's how they look.
For that, we use words like tall, short, long hair, short hair, brown eyes, and wears glasses.
Remember the two important phrases. He is tall and he has short hair.
Then we learned how to describe a person's personality. That's what they are like inside.
We learned words like kind, funny, friendly, and smart.
For personality, we also use is. For example, she is very kind.
And we learned two very important questions. The first question is, what does he look like?
When you hear this, you talk about appearance.
The second question is, what is he like?
When you hear this, you talk about personality.
It's very important to remember the difference. What does he look like versus what is he like?
Let's say them one more time slowly.
What does he look like?
What is he like?
Great job, everyone! This is a lot of information, but you can always listen to our podcast again.
Practice is the most important part of learning English, so try to use what you learned today.
Yes! Find a friend or family member and try to describe them in English. Use one or two simple sentences.
You can do it. We believe in you. Learning a new language takes time, but every step is a success.
And we are here to help you on your journey. Here at the Love English podcast, we want to make learning English a happy experience for you.
That's all the time we have for today. We hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new.
Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing, and we will talk to you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.
Great job practicing today. Remember, every minute you spend learning is an investment in your future. Keep it up, and I'll see you in the next episode.